GoPro Smart Remote. Control your GoPro camera remotely from distances of up to 600 feet with this wearable waterproof remote. Perfect for gear mounted shots. You can power the camera on and off, adjust settings, start and stop recording and capture photos. When used with Hero 6 Black, Hero 5, Hero 4 and Session cameras, you can also add highlight tags to mark key moments while recording for easy playback, editing and sharing, or access the settings or tag button to quickly change settings. Smart Remote enables control of up to 50 cameras at a time and features 40% increased battery capacity compared to the Wi-Fi remote. Mountable and waterproof to 33 feet. Includes a key ring and wrist strap for wearing the remote, or attaching it to your gear. Why would you need this product? If you have ever owned an underwater camera which gets foggy, then it will work great for you. Basically, what happens, your GoPro can get hot, while the weather outside is still cold. This creates a little fog on the lens, causing fog or condensation which can ruin your video and photos. All in all, for the price you are better safe than sorry by using this product with your GoPro.